Check out this channel. It boasts over 13 million subscribers, and its most popular video has nearly 100 million views. Most of its videos have surpassed 10 million views each. Similarly, there are numerous other YouTube channels in this niche, each garnering millions of views with simple lo-fi beats and basic backgrounds. You might notice that this video is monetized, and you too can create a channel like this without needing any music or editing expertise. How is that possible? Don't worry, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of starting a lo-fi channel using AI. Remember, creating the channel is just the beginning. You'll need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, which can be challenging. I'll share a strategy to achieve success quickly, so make sure to watch until the end. First, let's create some lo-fi beats using an AI tool called Mubert. This tool is popular among content creators for producing various types of music. To get started, click on Generate a Track. On the next page, enter details about your music track. You can either use a text prompt or select genres, moods, and activities. For example, if you want to create relaxing music, choose the genre ambient. Set the mood to calm and select nature under activities. Set the track length to 3 minutes and 45 seconds and hit Generate Track. Mubert will take a moment to create the music. Once it's ready, you can download it after creating a free account using Google, Facebook, or email. Next, let's make a lo-fi beat using a text prompt. Click Generate a Track. Enter a simple prompt like lo-fi and adjust the length to 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Once the track is generated, download it as well. If you don't have a YouTube channel or need help setting up a professional one, follow these steps. Otherwise, you can skip to the 7-minute and 4-second mark. Sign up on YouTube with your Google account, then choose a unique channel name and handle. If you need name ideas, you can ask ChatGPT for suggestions. After selecting a name, create a logo and banner using Canva.
For the logo, choose a music-related template or generate your own using text prompts like Music Wave Logo. Customize it with your channel name, then download it in JPG format. For the banner, select a YouTube channel banner template, customize it, and download the final image. Now, set up your new YouTube channel by inserting the channel name and creating a unique handle. Click on Create Channel. Then customize it by adding the channel description. You can use ChatGPT to write this for you. Under the Branding tab, upload your logo and banner images, and add the logo as a watermark. Publish your channel. Then copy and paste the channel link into Mubert to resolve any copyright issues. To create videos, you'll need images. Use an image generator like Leonardo AI, selecting the DreamShaper V7 model and an aspect ratio of 16:9. Generate an image based on your prompt. And download it. Use CapCut to combine the image with your music track to create a video. Add effects, filters, and adjust the image length to match the audio. Then export and download the video. Upload this video to your channel with a compelling title, description, tags, and an eye-catching thumbnail. To achieve quick success on YouTube, consider going live, as live music can attract significant views and watch time. Platforms like OBS Studio and StreamYard support live streaming. If you want details on live streaming, let me know in the comments. Another strategy is to make longer videos, 2 to 3 hours, to match the trend of popular channels. Keep in mind that Mubert's free trial allows you to generate up to 25 tracks per month with attribution and without a commercial license. For more extensive use, consider the Pro version, which provides a commercial license and permits up to 500 tracks per month. Alternatively, you can join Mubert's affiliate program to earn money and upgrade to the Pro plan later. That's a wrap on our guide. I'd love to hear about your experiences creating a LoFi channel with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy creating!